Hi all, welcome back. So today let us see homes of animals. Egg, pig, sty, sty, hen, hen, coop, 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 bird, bird, nest, nest, bee, bee, hive, hive, e is silent, e is making I to tell is long sound, hive, dog, dog, kennel, kennel, lion, lion. Here the letter O is telling his lazy sound. When the letter O is nearby M, N, T, H, V or W, it says his lazy sound. Den. Cow, shed, shed, it, rabbit, borrow. Here see, OW is having two sound. One is ow and long O. Ow says ow. Here you see OW is saying O, borrow. Happy reading. Bye-bye.